Hello everyone, my name is David Perez from Symfintek, and in today's video we're going to talk about the role incentive entity for the commissions conductor in Acumatica. Getting back into our commissions flow dashboard, we're going to recap over all the entities we have covered so far. We have covered the role entity, the person entity, and at the time of creating the persons or people in our system, we have related the people to the different roles they are going to play. Then we cover the incentive profiles screen alongside the incentive filters entity that is working together with the incentive profile at the time of selecting the proper line details that are going to be under a specific incentive. Now it is the turn for the role incentive template. In the role incentive template, we are going to create a relationship between the different roles, okay, and the different incentives that we have created in our environment. In our environment so far we have three different roles: lead activator, sales managers, and salespersons. Over here we can see how we have different incentive profiles, okay, that are being defined or related to different roles, okay, by using this role incentive template screen. The idea of creating a template is setting a role with an incentive and a particular commission rates structure. For instance, this role, the lead activator, for this incentive profile industrial equipment, is going to have a default commission rate of 2%. It's going to be a flat commission rate that is going to be subject to tiers. This doesn't mean that you cannot create tiers, okay, in another moment. But right now, this is a configuration for the lead activator role. Now, under this tab over here, we have all the people who are playing this role inside your organization. So, in order to create person role incentives entities, okay, for these people, you can do it easily from this side, okay, or from this screen, by selecting the people and hitting on the push template action button. Over here you are able to select which is the status of the PRI document that is going to be created and which is a start period that you want this PRI version to start acting on. Right now I'm not going to do this because I'm going to do it in another example that I have prepared for you. So if we move, okay, into another role, for instance, the sales manager role, we can see how now the default commission percentage for the manager, for the sales manager, is 1%. And Alberto Jimenez is the one who is performing or playing, okay, this role inside your organization, okay? If we move to the salespeople entity, okay, or the salespeople role, we can see how we have a different commission structure right now. The default commission percentage is going to be 0%, and then we have a table for the tiers structure, okay, under the detail of this grid that is called define tiers, okay? So basically, we have a commissionable base for the margin amount, and then we have two different tier targets, the main one and the second one. So if the quantity is between 0 and 5 and the margin amount is between $25,000, okay, then the commission that is going to be paid is 1%. Then we have another bracket for the range of the quantity from 5 to 10, and we have increased the margin amount that needs to be reached, okay, in order to receive 2%. So this is an example where you can combine different tier targets in order to index the proper commission rate that is going to be paid based on the commissionable base that is going to be the margin amount for this case. Now I'm going to select a specific incentive profile, okay, that is based for the consumer item class, okay, that is going to apply for the salespeople role inside our organization. So we haven't defined any kind of tiers structure over here, but I'm going to import a commissions structure that I have stored in my local files. So this is another thing that you can do. You can create your commissions structure outside of Acumatica in Excel, and then you can export this import this configuration inside the role incentive template. Now, if we navigate into the person management for this role, right now we are looking at all the people who is playing the salesperson role inside our organization. As you can see over here, there aren't any person role incentive created so far. So we are going to create it. We are going to push this template for all the people inside our organization. So I'm going to select all the people. I'm going to hit on the push template action button. I'm going to set our version status to active, and then I'm going to select the calculation period that we have been used, okay, in our series of videos. That's going to be 2022 month 1. Now I'm going to hit on the OK button. This is going to take a little bit. The operation has been completed, and now if we move into the person role incentive screen and we look for the consumer incentive and the sales people role, we can see how a person role incentive entity has been created. The person role incentive entity is going to be discussed in the next video. So let's wrap with the role incentive template screen and the role incentive template entity, okay? So in the role incentive template, you are going to define which is going to be the commission structure that all the people playing a role is going to have, okay? In case you want to have a similar commission rate structure for all the people inside your organization, okay? In the person role incentive video, we are going to see how this structure can be customized by specific people playing the same role. That means that Jason or Mika can have customized commission tiers structures, okay, that are not equal to the one defined at the role incentive template level. That's everything for now. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.